Yes, I so said so done. So your Blagie sister live here. I now hold camera upon him too long. So na Blagie sister yeah. The one a Blagie sister yeah. Yeah, good morning. I want a Blagie sister that. And see Blagie you know. Blagie we can identify with street people in Blagie they go for him in breakfast. Yeah man, don't have family. So we talk about it this morning. We're going to make this a short clipping. Blagie a farmer, NIP school pass student. Yeah, I interview Blagie already, you know. Only can look for me thing, you know. See Blagie. No, what I say? Now you sweet. Give me something. Give me something. Let's go for your breakfast, and I say go. I go to sister for your breakfast. Blagie. Eh? Okay, okay, you can't give me now. No. Can you look about the breakfast, I get something to eat. Yeah man, alright, alright. Eh? Oh cherry. Cherry pass off long time, you know. My mother that. Yeah man, long time my mother pass off.
Oh Nigel.
Nigel pass off too. That's a bigger.
Oh Zay.
Zay alright man. Alright, cool. Yeah man, Blagie name lion them. I'm afraid the Blagie lion them in the better. You see it? Blagie. I got him family go get him breakfast. We can identify with street people him. We not tell you crap. We look out for the street people him. You see Blagie know my inner seat, my mother. And my brother bigger in Nigel. And he asks his eye. You understand me? So as I say, I just Blagie alone. Blagie alone me didn't want to catch. I'm not like video place, you know. But I'm not showing. This one is going to be short. 2 minutes. Should we touch upon the topic? So we know we street people him. Blagie a flow. Blagie a